You can use Nord Virtual Private Network split tunneling to route Peacock or NBC through a US server while leaving other apps on your local connection to preserve speed and reduce buffering steps. Key device notes, Android or Windows or macOS. Full app level split. Tunneling available, iOS. Limited only domain whitelisting in some apps. Use a router workaround if needed. 2. Prep. Install Nord Virtual Private Network and Peacock or NBC apps and sign in. Update both apps. 3. Enable split tunneling, Android or Windows or macOS. Open Nord Virtual Private Network app. Settings, split tunneling, toggle on. Choose exclude apps or include apps if you prefer. Inverse, add non-virtual private network apps you want to bypass. Virtual private network, for example, banking apps, local weather, or add only Peacock or NBC to route through virtual private network depending on your preference. For streaming the US Open, put Peacock or NBC inside the virtual private network tunnel. Include or exclude everything else. Inverse, so Peacock uses the US IP. Save. Connect to a US NordLink server. Try New York or Ashburn or Chicago or La. Use NordLinks for max throughput. 4. Verify. Optimize. Check your public IP online. IP check from the Peacock app or browser to confirm US IP for the streaming app. Run a speed test while connected. Target 10 MPs for HD, 2575 MPs for 4000. Close background apps and prefer Wi-Fi 5 GHz or wired Ethernet. 5. Troubleshooting. If Peacock blocks virtual private network, switch US server. Try a dedicated or residential IP or toggle split tunneling to include or exclude the app differently. If split tunneling not available on your device, install Nord Virtual Private Network on your router. Route selected devices through Virtual Private Network or use a Windows or Mac laptop as a hotspot. 6. Matchday checklist. Quick. Connect Nord Virtual Private Network. Select US server. Ensure Peacock app is routed through Virtual Private Network via split tunneling. Confirm US IP. Open Peacock and start. Stream.